Hey beautiful people, a very warm welcome to you all. I'm Savithri from All Things Beautiful and I'm here with yet another unboxing video from CrafTangles. Yes, I just received the box yesterday and I'm so excited. Guys, I haven't seen what is inside. I have no idea. I'm going to open along with you guys and see all the goodies that I have received and I can't wait to use them. So yes, let's get started. Yay, this is like my Christmas present. I'm excited. Whoa. Wow, what do we have here? Let's take out all this. Woohoo! Reactive Foil Silver. This is CrafTangles HNDMD's new launch and I can't wait to use them. I'm not like a scrapbooking artist or anything. I'm a decoupage artist, but I have found ways to use them in my projects and wonderful. So we have silver, we have gold, we have rose gold. I love rose gold. We have yellow gold. Okay, so gold and yellow gold, it's like a bright yellow Indian gold and this is like a subtle gold. I like the subtle one. And we have red, wow, and green. That's beautiful, guys. 6 reactive foils. They are supposed to be used with a laminator, but I do not have a laminator, but I'm going to be using all these beautiful foils with some new techniques. So stay tuned onto the HNDMD YouTube and blogs to find what I'll be doing with them. And I have another bottle of liquid glaze. Yay, my favorite. And we have some stamps here. Wow. Oh my god, this is wonderful. This is a newspaper stamp. Guys, can you see this? Wow, I love this newspaper stamp with a postage sign. It's wonderful. Oh my, a music stamp. It's my all-time favorite, musical notes. These stamps can be they are so versatile. They can be used in many projects. I love them. And apart from that, I also have like a script stamp. Wow. Okay, so this is a difference. This is a script stamp, so the letterings are different, the font is different, and this is a newspaper print, so you have it like a newspaper. So that's wonderful. Awesome. And what else do we have here? I have some wonderful bases. Oh, what are these bases? I think these are acrylic bases if I'm not wrong. Let's check out. Wow. They have come with a backing. Okay. See guys, these are acrylic bases. I'm supposed to be using it after peeling off the backing. These are so good to be used with the liquid glaze, resin, or all of your works. It's awesome. So these are round acrylic coasters and we have square acrylic coasters. Lovely. Can't wait. We have square acrylic coasters and we have some more here. Beautiful. Okay, I have like few sets and we have MDF coasters, acrylic coasters. Yay, these are wonderful. Then have a mini tray. It's a cute little mini tray. And the beautiful flakes. These are gilding flakes. Can you see these? You have to use it with the gilding glue. These are gilding flakes in silver, gold dust. Wow, copper penny, rose gold. Awesome guys, it's a 120 ml. Too good. The colors are just wonderful. and the foil magic. This is a glue. These can be used with stencils or directly just to gild any surface. So yes, you will be seeing a lot of projects from all the design team members, and you're going to love all of them. So please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and follow our blogs. Beautiful lace stencils here from CrafTangles. They are so amazing. This is a mandala stencil. Lovely. Oh, this is also lace, ornate lace and net lace. Beautiful. I have a lot of stencils here. Good things happen over coffee. Yes, absolutely. I love my coffee. That too, when I'm crafting, I need a cup of coffee or tea, and I just love it. I can have it any time of the day. And again, a script stencil. Wow. So if you're scripts can be done with stencils or with stamps or with anything. So yeah, that's wonderful. Oh, the checkered. This is going to be an amazing product to use in a lot of projects. You can use these to give a nice background to your projects, and it's going to look beautiful. Wow, this is amazing. It's more lovely. These are all 6x6 stencils, guys, and wonderful designs. They are very economical. Go check out an HNDMD website. Dream big, little one. Wow, this is beautiful. So many ideas running in my head. The way that these can be used. And this is apt heart stencil, heart mesh, apt for the upcoming Valentine season. Wow. I enjoy long romantic walks down the shoe aisle. Yes, these are apt for your Valentine month, for all your Valentine projects. This is lovely. Home is where our heart is. This is another beautiful stencil that can be used on many projects as home decor or your family projects. And kitchen. Who doesn't like kitchen stencils? Kitchen, dinner choices. Take it or leave it. Oh, I have to make something and hang it right in front of my kids. Take it or leave it. Kitchen choices. This is some jumbled numbers. All these stencils give a beautiful background or a base to your projects or wall panels, and they look really amazing. And we have a clock. I think it has a center hole, so this is a clock base. Lovely. This should be around 10 inches clock base, and we have a beautiful huge I guess around 12 or 13 inches clock base. That's wonderful. So that's a lot of things, guys, and I can't wait to use them all. There are so many things. You can go to the HNDMD website and check out all their products. They are really good. So let's just go over all the products once again. I have these two MDF bases. Let's finish with the bases. Then we have these acrylic coasters, beautiful square and round acrylic coasters. While I'm talking, I'm thinking what I will be doing with all these, or what I can do with all these wonderful stuff. I can't wait to use them in my projects. And we have all these 6x6 beautiful stencils. We have jumbled numbers, a kitchen stencil here. Home is where a home stencil, a heart is that stencil, and your Valentine themed stencils. These are all 6x6 stencils. Heart stencil and dream big little one. This can be used for a lot of name boards, sign boards, or for kids, or you could just use the dream part alone to stencil, and a lot of ways to use them. And these are some maze, just background layering stencils. These are, I call them layering stencils because you can layer them in backgrounds and make beautiful projects and mixed media work. And this is going to be really nice. Squares, and then we have script stencil, and then we have a coffee stencil, then we have lovely lace, mandala lace stencils. That's a lot of stencils. It's beautiful. I'm so excited to use them. Then moving on, we have these stamps, lovely script stamp and newspaper stamp and musical notes stamp. These three, believe me, are going to be so versatile, and I am definitely going to be using them in a lot of projects. Great. And then yes, my all-time favorite liquid glaze. I have this liquid glaze here, and then we have all these beautiful reactive foil colors. I will just go over them again. We have green, we have red for the season, apt colors for this Christmas season. Then we have gold, we have rose gold, my favorite, we have yellow gold, and we have silver. So there are 6 reactive foil colors, and let's see how I will use them. This is awesome. And then we have this gilding glue here. This gilding glue is also very versatile. It can be used in many ways. You will be seeing, like I said, please do follow HNDMD blog and subscribe to HNDMD YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any projects. You will find projects on scrapbooking, mixed media, decoupage, watercoloring, and many more projects. So yeah, there are lots of ideas, lots of projects that you could get inspired from. So do follow and subscribe. And these are gilding flakes in silver moonlight, gold dust, and we have here copper penny, awesome. And this is rose gold. Rose gold is so good. Rose gold, copper penny, gold dust, and silver moonlight, and the glue for that, and a little small mini cute tray. Yes, and that's it, guys. So that was my DT kit from CrafTangles HNDMD, and I'm super excited. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but then yeah, there are a lot of ideas running in my head. I hope you guys will follow us, and also follow all the projects that the design team members are doing, and do support. Go to the HNDMD website and check out all their products. They are very good, very economical. And yes, stay tuned for all the beautiful projects that are going to be coming this month. And that's about it. I'm just going to soak in this happiness for some more time of all the things that I've got. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for encouraging us, thank you for all your feedback so we can do better and better. Thank you so much. See you all soon. Bye bye. Signing off, Savithri. Bye.